Hi, so I was sent a free retractable baby or dog gate so that I can unbox it and review it for all of you guys. I will go through the entire installation process. Let's get started. Inside the box, there was also a few other pieces. Thank you card from the company that has a QR code on the back to activate a lifetime warranty for this gate. So that sounds like they're pretty confident in their product. I have some of the pieces for us to start putting it together. I always like to make sure I'm going to open the instruction manual.
So this is A1. So the top of the gate here is B1. So A1 is going to be connecting to B1, but we do need to connect A1 into the wall first. Then we're gonna have A2, it looks like this. A2 is going to go on the bottom part of the gate, which is B2. This needs to be screwed onto the wall. So once we know where we need our holes to be, we're going to drill a hole wide enough that we can put our fixing screws into the hole. So I used my gate, I held it up to the right spots on the wall where I wanted my pieces to be. I made sure that it was level and it all lines up. I left my A1 and A2 pieces on the wall here so that I can take my pencil right into the center hole and mark off where I want to drill my hole. I'm going to remove these out of the way because I do not want to accidentally drill into the plastic of this piece. Okay, so I have my 4 holes. I put the 2 screw extenders in the top 2 holes. I'm going to show you the bottom 2 holes here. So I just literally stick it in as far as I can by hand. I like to take a hammer and then just knock it in the rest of the way. We can go back for A1 and A2 and line up our holes again. There are enough of the larger and the smaller screws. Okay, now that I have all of these securely in place, I can connect this side. I know because it turned green here that I have this securely locked on. If I would like to remove this gate now that it is connected to that piece on the wall, I simply push this button here and it will allow this to release, and you can see that it turns red in this little panel here, so you know it's not connected anymore. I've got it locked back on into place. This one you could simply just slide off because it slides right into the crevice. But see, once it's closed, I can't just pull that open. I need to press this button and unlock it, and then it will pull open. There's a nice little handle here for you to grip onto so you can lock it quick. Next, following the instructions, we are going to want to attach pieces A3 and A4 on the opposite side, which is what our gate is going to be latching onto over there. When we use A3, that is going to be the top one, we're going to want the openings to face where the gate is going to be going in and connecting. So that is going to be our top piece. Opening will be over here and it'll be against our wall here.
They're just stuck to the wall right now. I'm going to make sure that when I pull out the gate, both spots line up to connect and that my gate feels flush and it's not bowing. Okay, perfect. Now that we have both sides attached, we again can simply press this button here, hit the unlock part, and we can pull open our gate. Once we have our gate in place where we want it, we want to make sure we relock it if we have any little kids around by simply pressing the button. That's going to relock it so that way they can't open it, because you need to be able to stretch it in order for it to close. To unlock it again, we simply press and press. And if I want, I can remove this whole piece and put that away as well. I found it very sturdy to work with. I love the locking device, and I hope it works out well for you too. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, so I hope you enjoyed this video. The links to the product and my store are below. I do earn a small commission, which helps me to be able to make more videos for you and do more reviews. So I do appreciate that. And it doesn't charge you anything extra, but I do appreciate the support, and I hope I can bring a lot more great reviews to you. Thanks.